Hey guys, it's your boy Ocey here again, and I'm here to just show you all two new tools that I'm doing to map some processes for a client. So this client, the staff that they have, they do usually use regular processes. They're different learning styles. So today we're going to use two tools, right? And we're going to demonstrate it right here. So I'm going to just test it out on my website where I'm going to just map the process of going to update some plugins. So I'm heading to my website where I'm going to go into the dashboard now. When I go into the dashboard, I'm going to go to plugins, and we could see that yellow bar is highlighted there. Highlighting what we're going to click, we're going to go to install plugins. And then we're going to just enable auto updates for a couple plugins on this site so that we don't have to manually update them. Right? And this could be done for almost any process that you could do on a website. And what it does, it takes screenshots and map notes on it. So I'm going to click complete. Of course, you could pause it also, but I'm going to click complete the capture. And when it's completed, then we're going to take us to here, and you could see, go to digital strategy services, click on dashboard, click on plugins, click on install plugins, click on enable updates. So this is titled the workflow with Ocey Phillips. And then you see here, the capture started on the main page. I clicked on the dashboard. There it says here, click on dashboard. There it says click on plugins. I clicked on plugins. Say click on install plugins. Click and you take a screenshot and click on enable auto updates. Click on enable auto updates. And then we're going to dive into all the other ones that we clicked on enable. All right. The other tool I am going to show you all is for video. This is for the video part of it. And this is going to show the operational use cases of what they do using this Loom software. So again, a couple of people do not like that actual processes in documents because it read and it will taken out of context, but this gives a different look and feel to it, so somebody could explain it better than they could type it. Right? So these are two tools I'm going to use on our project, and I'm 100% sure it's going to make the project way better.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm in legal, and here are a few ways on how I like to use Loom in legal. The first is to provide context for a question. So I'm often asking people for information in order to provide legal guidance, or I might need to run something by someone, and an easy way for me to do that is to record a Loom, give them a quick 1-minute background on what it is and why I'm asking, and ask my question that way. An example of that is if I am reviewing a contract, and there is a provision that I need to run by someone or see if we can accept the risk on a red line, I can just pull up the contract, show them the language, provide any context, and ask my question. The second way I like to use Loom is show not tell. So this comes up a lot with our product team when they are rolling out a new feature, making a change in the product, and they have a legal question or an issue that they want to get my take on. They can just record a Loom and show me what it is they're doing. So for example, if they had a question on our export insights feature, they could just pull it up and show me what it is they want to change. I also then can reply with a Loom and then explain what the legal risk is, show them the different options, because it's often not a yes or no answer, and I can give them some legal guardrails that might help them reduce risk in their product decisions and product design. The last way I like to use Loom is not unique to legal, but we have a legal wiki that has a bunch of process docs or guidance or checklists on it for people to come and use if they're looking for resources on legal issues or legal guidance. And so I find it really helpful to record a Loom and have it be linked to the doc. And it's basically like a TLDR, what the doc is, how you can use it, and maybe explains any high level or nuanced concepts that just don't come through in the doc. So that's it. Hope that helps.
Right. So we see how they use Loom for certain processes in legal and, of course, across their product department. So what I'm going to use this for is the video explanation of the process, but then there's also a video and a screen share part, so you could walk somebody through the different processes. Now, this makes the process sort of digital, but it's not automated. But at this point in time, this is what the client requires for the processes. So this is what we're going to go for. All right. So stay tuned for more tips and more tools on how you could automate your processes or use technology to make your work better. Thank you.